In the fast-paced world of B2B marketing, Adhere Creative rises to the challenge with unparalleled expertise. Their innovative strategies have earned them recognition as a top firm in the U.S. With a focus on manufacturing, SaaS, healthcare, and professional services, they uniquely position themselves to serve diverse clients. Adhere acts as a guide, enhancing marketing strategies and filling sales funnels with qualified leads. As the project manager, I oversee deliverables across the agency, ensuring projects stay on track and meet client expectations. Every day is a balancing act of timelines, budgets, and effective communication. Transitioning to ClickUp marked a pivotal shift in our productivity. The previous system, Basecamp, simply couldn't keep pace with our evolving processes, creating unnecessary obstacles. ClickUp has transformed our workflow, offering a Kanban board view and efficient task management. With features like multiple assignees and recurring tasks, collaboration and accountability have never been easier. Embracing ClickUp means our team can tackle multiple projects seamlessly while tracking progress and meeting client goals. With enhanced organization and integration options, success is just a task away.